In this video, we are going to see how we can download the executables for the BCM agent rollouts which are already created, so that in case you want to perform the BCM agent installation or uninstallation or even reinstallation manually on the device, you will be able to do it. So let's get started. As you can see on the console, I have the install, reinstall and uninstall packages created. And if I want to download the executable file for these rollouts and manually perform these operations, I will be able to do that. So let's download these packages. So open your browser. In the address bar, start typing https:// and this host name is the host name of your rollout server. So you will be able to identify the rollout server assigned to the rollout that you need to download. After you go to rollouts, click on the rollout that you want to see the rollout server for. Click on the servers and then you will be able to see the rollout server name. Now by default in my environment, master is acting as the rollout server. In case you have more than one rollout server, then make sure that you type in the appropriate rollout server name in the address bar, followed by the port that is used for the console /rollout. Enter. You can use your same BCM credentials to log into the rollout portal as well. Alright, there are our install, uninstall and reinstall rollouts. You can download them and you will be able to see the executable file name and the option to save the file. So once the file is downloaded, the operations that you need to perform needs to be performed with the elevated permissions. That is, you need to right click on the executable and then click on Run as Administrator. Thanks for watching.